We're now going to exercise 7.15 question 8. There's quite a bit of working out involved, and so has been worked out, and we'll just go through each of the various stages bit by bit. In terms of what I know, we can see that number one, I had to make an assumption here at the very start, and I've assumed that this model Y is taken to be the new model, and from that information, M0 is 12,000 kilograms. The mass of the new turbine, therefore, is 18,000 kilograms. The radius, which really is again the blade length of the old model, is 16 meters. And we're asked to work out really the blade length then of the new model. Now our standard equation, of course, is Mn equals M0 times BLN divided by BL0, and that's all cubed. The difficulty here is, of course, we're going to have to rearrange this equation to specifically work out a value for blade length new, and that's going to require a little bit of work to get that far. Now I just want to explain something very important before we hop into the rest of the solution. Now this is inside the textbook, but I just want to reiterate that x divided by y inside brackets cubed is the exact same as x cubed divided by y cubed. Let's prove that with a simple example. Let's make x equals 2 and y equals 4. If we sub in the respective numbers, and if we work carefully down through either side of the equal sign, both are indeed seen to be equal to 0.125. Now this is not part of the solution, but it does bring us to the next point. BLN divided by BL0 inside brackets cubed is therefore equal to BLN cubed divided by BL0 cubed, and that's important for what we're going to do here in step 1. And step 1 is just rewrite the general equation, but now instead of putting the brackets in, we're putting in BLN cubed divided by BL0 cubed. Now we do of course need to rearrange for BLN cubed. That's going to be your transposing, and at the end we can sub in the respective numbers. I've decided to try and get rid of M0 from the right hand side first of all, and if we're trying to get rid or eliminate M0 from the right hand side, we need to divide both sides of the equation by M0, and the M0 and the M0 here would cancel out. The equation can then be rewritten as indicated on the screen now. Of course, the next step then will be on the right hand side to try and get rid of this BL0 cubed. And because it's a denominator, we will have to multiply both sides of the equation by BL0 cubed. It's easy to identify the mathematical operations, which are indicated in this case in blue. This number, BL0 cubed, divided by the same number, of course, on the right hand side cancels out. And so we can now rewrite this equation as BLN cubed, we're just taking that from the right hand side, equals all the stuff on the left hand side. We can now sub in the respective numbers, so Mn, M0 and BL0, and we do get a value then that BLN cubed is equal to 6,144 meters cubed. Don't necessarily have to worry about this, but ultimately this is a length multiplied by a length multiplied by a length, and that's where we're getting the meters cubed from. Not important for the final answer, we'll see. A couple of important notes. This represents the value for BLN cubed, but we were asked to calculate the blade length, not the blade length cubed. We therefore need to take the cube root of both sides of the equation to get the value of BLN. And so the cube root of the left hand side, and we're taking the cube root of the right hand side as well. That will leave us with BLN equals 18.3154, and it goes on. But of course we're asked to give our answer to 2 decimal places, and the blade length is equal to 18.32 meters to 2 decimal places.